It is viewers like you that make videos like this possible. Please support MickeyMousePark.com.
Tomorrowland visitors find Disney character and theme souvenirs. The character shop is a 3,500 square foot merchandise center in the all-new area. Wearing apparel, toys, jewelry, games, books, and other Disney-themed items created specially for the Magic Kingdom are available. Offering all the Disney-themed headwear anyone could want, from Wet Disneyland Dictionary 1968, offers countable, decorative way-out hats of every description. It is located beneath the Skyway. Sold California and sports-themed merchandise.